There's a rhythm to every city, but most people, they're moving too fast to even hear it. I used to be like that, always scanning, always reacting, waiting for something obvious to happen so I could take a photo. But street photography doesn't reward the obvious. It rewards those who are still, the ones who wait. And lately, I've been learning to listen. I spent a full afternoon in Midtown, not because I love it, but because it's chaos. And sometimes, chaos teaches you how to see clearly. I stood at the corner and watched. That's it. No chasing, no spraying and praying, just watching. A man holding flowers kept checking his watch. A woman started running as she approached the train. It's strange, once you start noticing these patterns, you can almost tell what's coming next. It's like the moment's already happened, and you're just waiting for time to catch up. When you watch people long enough in these chaotic spaces, something clicks. You start to see the predictable in the unpredictable. You know, we're actually built to predict. It's how we survive. We scan, we anticipate. Street photography is basically just tapping into that instinct. But instead of reacting with fear or defense, you react with curiosity. You read body language, the way someone's pace slows just before they stop to look at something, or how shoulders relax right before genuine laughter, or the way two people look into each other's eyes right before they kiss. That's predictive behavior, and it changes everything. You know, I actually used to think the best photos happened by chance. Now I think it's when you're patient enough to wait for them. When I zone focus and pre-frame, I'm not really hoping for luck. I'm betting on rhythm, on intuition. Sometimes the moments, they never come, but when it does, it feels like it was always meant to. I think you should try it. Pick a spot. 10 minutes, no camera to your eye, just watching. Take a guess of who's going to cross, who's going to stop. Watch for hesitation, momentum, pauses in the flow. You'll be wrong, then you'll be right. Then you'll get good. Street photography isn't about hunting. It's about trust. Trust that the world is offering you something beautiful, and that if you slow down enough, you'll see it coming. You just have to believe in the moment before it happens. I've always believed that how you present your work is just as important as the work itself. Whether it's a photo that took 10 seconds or 10 years to see, it deserves a space that reflects your vision. That's why I use Squarespace. It's where I host my portfolio, my blogs, and all the work I want to give context to. Their templates are clean, easy to use, and I can update everything without touching code. Whether you're a photographer, a writer, or someone just starting to share their voice, Squarespace makes it feel real. When you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Faisal and use the code Faisal to get 10% off your first website or domain. Thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video.